You're short-staffed and sick of it. So you and your coworkers constantly complain to your manager about not having enough nurses. Your manager feels the pressure to hire and hire quickly. However, there is so much competition out there for nurses right now, and the candidates just aren't showing up. So when one does, your manager practically hires them on the spot just to fill the holes. But then you realize your manager just hired a bunch of bullies who are making your life even more miserable than it was when you were short-staffed. Is this happening in your department? Okay. On this episode of Coffee and Conversations about nurse bullying, we're going to talk about how to make sure your manager does not hire a bully. Hi, my name is Dr. Renee Thompson. I'm the CEO and founder of the Healthy Workforce Institute. Welcome to Coffee and Conversations about Nurse Bullying. Look, I get it. You need more help. You need more nurses. However, you want to make sure you hire the right nurses, because once you get them in, it's kind of hard to get them out. So here are a few tips to make sure your manager doesn't hire just anyone, especially a bully. Insist on being a part of the hiring process. Let your manager know that you want to help select candidates and interview them. Don't just expect your manager to do this alone. Be a part of it. It is easy for one person to miss potential red flags, but if a few of you are involved, you will find any, trust me. Second, interview for culture and character, not competence. Let your manager ask the questions related to clinical skills. You should be focusing on whether or not they have good character and they will be a good cultural fit. Ask them questions like, hey, which one of our core values resonates with you the most and why? Or you can ask, how do you continue improving as a nurse? Or you can ask, what attributes do you think are important in a cohesive team? Okay, just a couple of examples. The third is to reassure your manager that it is okay to say no to a candidate if they're not a good fit. It is so much better to pass up someone who isn't a good fit, so have some patience. Let your manager know that yes, it is important to hire more nurses, but more important that you hire the right ones. Now, if history repeats itself, and it does, this staffing shortage will get better. And as you're going through this crisis now, just remember to think long term. Think about hiring the right people who will work together as a cohesive team, not someone who will create an environment where people will want to leave. So I'd love to read any other strategies you have for making sure you don't hire any bullies, okay? Just write them in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, we would love to have you subscribe, and we'd love for you to share it with other people. And if you want more resources, tips, and a few other strategies to help you address bad behavior and cultivate the good behavior, hop on over to our website, 𝗷𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗏𝑖nstitute.com. We would love so much to help you. So until our next conversation, be kind, take care, and stay connected.